Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting upcoming vehicles in the automotive industry, the Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech 360 and click on the bell button for more updates.
The Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is a sleek and stylish car that boasts a futuristic design. It has a low profile and aerodynamic shape that gives it a sporty look. The car features full LED lights and a unique front grille that adds to its distinctive appearance. The Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is not only environmentally friendly, but it's also incredibly fun to drive. The car has excellent handling and precise steering, which makes it perfect for both city driving and long-distance trips. The interior of the Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is just as impressive as its exterior. It has a spacious cabin that provides ample legroom and headroom for the driver and passengers. The dashboard of the Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is packed with advanced features and technology. It features a large touchscreen display that controls the car's entertainment, climate control, and navigation system. The Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is a hybrid car that combines a petrol engine with an electric motor. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles on the market. The car can run on electricity alone for short distances, which reduces emissions and saves fuel. Renault has been a pioneer in the automotive industry for over a century and continues to innovate with its new models. The Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is a perfect example of Renault's commitment to sustainable mobility. So there you have it, the Renault Austral Techno Hybrid 2023 is an impressive car that combines style, comfort, and sustainability. We can't wait to see this car on the road and witness the impact it will have on the future of mobility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.